Hello and good evening. It's about 6 p.m. in the evening, and I'm in Srinagar, Kashmir. I have the book with me, Khaled Hosseini's And the Mountains Echoed. I'm going to read a passage from the chapter Spring 2003. The nurse, whose name is Amra Adamovic, had warned Idris and Taimur. She had pulled them aside and said, "If you show reaction even little, she is going to be upset and I kick you out." They are standing at the end of a long, poorly lit hallway in the men's wing of Wazir Akbar Khan Hospital. Amra said the only relative the girl had left, or the only one who visited, was her uncle. And if she had been placed in the women's wing, he would not be permitted to visit her. So the staff had placed her in the men's wing, not in a room. It would be indecent for the girl to room with men who were not relatives. But here, at the end of the hallway, a no man's and no woman's land. And here I thought the Taliban had left town, Taimur says. "It's crazy, no?" Amra says, then lets out a bewildered chuckle. In the week that Idris has been back in Kabul, he has found this tone of light-hearted exasperation common among the foreign aid workers who have had to navigate the inconveniences of Afghan culture. Khaled Hosseini and the Mountains Echoed.